Looking at you, looking at me through the window. I see you surrounded by birds. I can't get close now, don't want to disturb. I'll just wait till you're ready and wait my turn. Hanging bird feeder, wish that I could meet her, filled up with seeds to share, but none for me. I'll just watch from afar and let you be. No room for me to perch, you're covered with cardinals. Oh, seeing you, seeing me, thinking about what it could be. I'm not your type of bird, it's plain to see. Yet your dance in the breeze seems just for me. Hanging bird feeder, and as I watch, you call me out, telling me to bring you some black oil sunflower. Know that you love them. And also some thistle for the finches. And how could I forget the safflower, a favorite of grosbeaks, doves and wrens. And the squirrels won't rate you for those. Hanging bird feeder, seeing you, thinking about what could be. I'm not your type of bird, it's plain to see. That your dance in the breeze seems just for me. Hanging bird feeder, you attract all the wings and you attract all the feelings. Do you see? No, can you see? See through all the feathers of blue jays, titmice and sparrows. Oh, hanging bird feeder. Sometimes it's best to let love nest from far away, and I can always enjoy the thought of you in rain or sunny days. Yes, I'll stay away, except when you call for me to bring you more. Like a bird feeder,
always filling up and getting eaten. I guess, I don't know, but Department of Song reminds you to clean your feeders every 2 weeks. This will help prevent mold and keep your birds happy.